Hey, Joel.
Hey.
Hey, you got a second?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
What's been going on?
Not much. This week on Wednesday we had our monthly journal club, so we talked about two articles. We kind of focused on lupus nephritis, and one of the articles I presented on kind of the utility of doing biopsies during the maintenance phase of therapy. And then we had a guest at Journal Club, Dr. Radhakrishnan, from Columbia. I apologize if I butchered that. Who was able to kind of give us some clinical takes on the journals, and just kind of provided a kind of a clinical discussion that we don't really get on a daily basis.
Mm-hmm.
So it was kind of nice to see. And then on Thursday, he actually gave grand rounds and talked about kind of just started out briefly on kind of autoimmunity in lupus, and then talked about current therapies and kind of what's coming down the pipeline with some of the new therapies and some of the new trials that are going on going forward. So
Awesome. All right. Well, good week then.
yeah.
Awesome. Well, we'll catch you next week then.
All right. Take care, guys.
See ya.